Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chapur. Today's date is 6th September. This is original video. The topic of this video is classes and objects. So let's start. So what is a class? A class is a combination of objects. So class does not take any space because it is also known as a blueprint or a logical entity. So it gives a structure to an object. So there are two types of classes, a predefined and a user defined. So predefined classes are scanner, console, system, and string. So this working of this class or role of this class is already defined by Java developer. So we can only use it by importing. We cannot write its logic. Then second type, that is user defined. So these classes can be anything, like my class, demo, or employee, or anything like that. So next is a syntax of this class. So first, to write a class, first we have to write a access modifier like public or private, according to our code's requirement. Then next will be the class keyword, then class name, and then in curly bracket we will write data like various types of variables and various methods. From this syntax, we can also say that a class is a collection of data and methods. So, the class contains three types of variables: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. So, this local variable are declared inside a method, and method are inside a class. So, the scope of this local variables are only for that particular method. We cannot access that variables in other methods which are in the same class. So next is a instance variable. The instance variable is a declared outside of a method and inside of a class. So because of that, this instance variable are accessible by all the methods which are present in particular in that class. But we cannot use that instance directly in static method. For that, we need a object. Then third is the static variables. The static variables are also declared inside a class and outside of a method. Then if we write a static keyword in front of an instance variable, then it will be a static variable. So this static variable is accessible in static method without using of an object. Now let's look at objects. So we can say that object is identifiable entity which have some characteristics, and it has some behavior. So as a definition, a object is an instance of a class that executes a class. So whenever object is created, it takes up some space of a memory, just like every other variable we declared. uh, then syntax of that object is like that. It is divided into three sections: declaration, instantiation, and initialization. So first we write a class name, then space, then object name, then is equal to sign, then the keyword new, and then a class name, and open and close parenthesis. So the first class name is a class name. The object name is object reference. The is equal to sign is a assignment. The new keyword is also known as memory allocator, because it allocates a memory for each new object we create in that particular class. And the class name and open close parenthesis is known as a constructor. So the class name, object name is known as it is a declaration part. New is the instantiation, and the constructor is the initialization. What is this constructor? So a constructor. So every class has a constructor. So if we do not write any constructor, then a Java compiler will build by a default constructor. And the main rule for this constructor is its name should be similar to a class name. And that's all with the class and object. Thank you.